Autonomy without accountability is a recipe for freaking chaos. You do not want to just set your reps free and hope for the best. You want them to take responsibility for the results and not just for their effort. And this is where a lot of managers struggle. How do you balance giving your reps freedom while still holding them to these high standards? One of the answers to that is transparency. By making goals and progress, that's a big one, visible, not just to the manager, but to the rep themselves. A study by the American Psychological Association found that employees are 50% more productive when they clearly understand their goals and have regular visibility into their progress. So, this is really about creating a system where reps can see their progress in real time, they can recognize their wins, but more importantly, they can see and they feel empowered to course correct without a manager constantly looking over their shoulder.